unboxing video right here. Oh my goodness. Unboxing video. Really. Holy crap. Right there, everybody. I'm gonna go out there and install these. So, let's do this. I got another box right here, my rearview mirrors. I gotta get that. Excuse me, blocking this for a minute. I should have my GoPro going. Replace them both. I have a spare. And here's the one replacing it now. Get that impact real quick. Right there. Addition of the new tail light. Right there. Get it. Yes. Look at that. I got it. Okay. One hole. Take these little guys off. That's just so it doesn't get water or junk in it when the shipping. I do believe. There it is. Installed. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. There's one screw. Put the phone to get a recording. The other one. Get it up and the twist. Right there. Make sure that these guys still work. Again, here's the sticky things. Take off this side. Put the bulbs right in. Reverse bulb. There's that one. There's that one. And then we pop these little boobs in the side, like that. Get in there. Right there, they're in. Get these. There's one. There's two. Get our plastic and our garbage out of here. And our broken taillight. Big taillights. And there we go, the other one's done. Both taillights replaced. Now we will get on the rear view mirrors. Man, is it cold out here. Very nice, look at that. Rear view mirrors are next. Here we have the unboxing of the rear view mirrors for my truck. As I bumped the tree in reverse, I literally messed up my mirrors. Knocked one off, right off. Don't mind my messy house, as I don't have a maid and I do live alone. I am only me. Right here they are, everybody. Look at these. Oh man, these are heavy duty. Puddle lights. Bottom puddle light right here. Right here's left turn signal, right turn signal indicator. These flip up. Ugh. Let me go right outside with this. I hate that styrofoam stuff. Let me not break my neck. Don't mind my house, everybody. You see my messy house, don't mind. Let me open this door. Get on out of here. Was gonna use my GoPro. I wish I would've. I'm not really a fan of that GoPro. I'm not really happy with that thing because my batteries always are dead, more than they're not. I'm not really impressed with the GoPro. Okay. This is kind of hard. Let me put one of these guys back on. The top one. That way if I pull this out, the thing doesn't fall off like it's wanting to do. I can feel it. I'm not certain if it's only 3 on this guy. Yep, it is only 3. I'm going to try to set my phone in a position that can work. I don't know if that can work. We'll see. This is going to be a little bit of a job. I haven't figured that out yet. Let me get back into the new one and figure that out. This has to unplug in here. Put this back in. Just like that. I'm putting that baby back in so I can figure out this plug. I did not figure that out, so I'm going to go ahead and put this nut back on here to figure out where this plug is coming from. Might have to take off the door panel right here. Okay, right there, that one went. Let me see. Okay. unplug this guy. Insane. You see where that plug is? Not harder than you think. Let's see. The other one's down here. Let me get my impact. Pop these pins out, and now I had to undo the wire for the installation of the rear view mirror. Okay, now the problem was, correctly, if I don't get that guy back in, put this over here, my phone, it's the impact, but I don't want to strip these out. Installation is done. All the little